and reintroduce ourselves because I feel like we missed something. So give it up for Tears of Nation.
Give it up.
I've done everything for her, everything!
That guy's just beautiful. I hope no one got triggered here. Anyone got triggered? Okay, good. That's lovely.
I said to you to gag. I said to you.
No, you're not getting it. No, stay back.
Yes, so I'm this man.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Mapping the Creative Sector again, hosted by the Nespisa participants. And my name is Nofundo Buisa, but I go by the name of DJ Matt, and I'll be host for today. Like Zewami.